In a world where speed and efficiency are paramount, the field of software development is changing rapidly. Meet Duet AI for developers, your AI-powered collaborator that transforms software development with AI assistance. Developers, we know the drill. Constant context switching, endless searches through docs, and the daily grind of repetitive tasks. It's not just about time, it's your well-being too. What if you could cut through all these noises? With Duet AI, now you can. Imagine writing code at the speed of thought with AI code completion, code generation, and a chatbot you can ask any code-related questions in natural language. Available in your favorite IDEs, Duet AI supports over 20 languages, bringing code to your fingertips. And with Duet AI's smart actions like test generation and code explanation, you can say goodbye to the monotonous and focus on innovation. For agile teams that build and operate at scale, Duet AI extends its assistance from coding to cloud operations, setting new industry benchmarks. Deploying code to production, Duet AI's got your back with best practice and architecture recommendations tailored to your needs. Troubleshooting application issues? It's a breeze with Duet AI that summarizes logs and explains errors faster than you can say bug fix. And for the enterprise minds, rest assured, Duet AI isn't just powerful. It's built with the fortress of Google's security, privacy, and compliance standards. Why settle for less? With enterprise-grade features, assistance throughout the SDLC, and powerful, customized foundation models, Duet AI stands apart. Join the revolution. Build the future with Duet AI for developers.